Now we substitute x square is equal to t. So 2x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so half dt tq 1q half dt t plus 1 t square minus t plus 1. Okay, so we actually break this fraction into partial fraction. So breaking the fraction into partial fraction. Okay, so 1 by t plus 1 t square minus t plus 1. Okay, so a is a constant t plus 1 plus bx plus c. It is a linear because here is a second degree term t square minus t plus 1. As it is linear, so it is constant. As it is second degree function, then it is a linear function. Okay, it is a method of breaking into partial fraction. So we have to compare this. Okay, 1 is equal to a t square minus t plus 1 plus bt plus c, sorry, bt plus c into t plus 1. Okay, now put, actually we have to note that if we actually put the value t is equal to minus 1, then it will be, the whole term will be 0. Okay, so put t is equal to minus 1, then 1 into 1 plus a into 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, or a is equal to 1 by 3. So now put t is equal to 0. Okay, so if we put t is equal to 0, then what happens? 1 is equal to a into 1 plus, here it will be 0 c plus 1, c into 1 c, or a has value 3, 1 by 3 plus c is equal to 1, or c is equal to 2 by 3. Now put t is equal to 1. What happens if we put the value t is equal to 1? Then a 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus b plus c into 2 is equal to 1, or a plus, so what is the value of c? B plus 2 by 3 into 2 is equal to 1. Okay, or the value of a is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2b plus 4 by 3 is equal to 1, or 2b is equal to 1 minus 5 by 3, so minus 2 by 3, so b is equal to minus 1 by 3. So a is equal to 1 by 3, b is equal to minus 1 by 3, and c is equal to 2 by 3. So this will be like this. Okay, so 1 by t plus 1 by t square minus t plus 1 is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by t plus 1 plus minus 1 by 3 t plus 2 by 3, yeah, by t square minus t plus 1. Okay, now we write down the whole integration. Okay, so I write down the whole integration, that is exactly 1 by 3 dt by t plus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus t plus 2 by t square minus t plus 1 dt. Okay, so this is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and this is ln t plus 1, ln t plus 1 minus 1 by 3 integration of t minus 2 by t square minus t plus 1 dt. So we give this name the equation integration, or equation number 3. Okay, now we think that it is our integration to I2. We say this I2 is equal to, for making the calculation easy, we actually break down into several integration. Okay, that makes our calculation easy. dt, which is the type of integration of p of x plus q by ax square plus bx plus t. So it is a second degree function, and it is a linear function. Okay, so what we have to do, actually we have to substitute this. So we actually set a value and have a constant. Okay, so t minus 2 is equal to a into d by dt by t square minus t plus 1 plus b, because we actually substitute this value and we get that the function like, and the result it will be like this, ln t square minus t plus 1. Okay, so we actually do this by compare this t minus 2 is equal to a, actually by derivative do t minus 1 plus b. Okay, so t minus 2 is equal to 2a t plus b minus a, this implies. Okay, so actually we get the value 2a is equal to 1, or a is equal to 1 by 2, another a, b minus a is equal to minus 2, and b is equal to minus 2 plus a, so b is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so we get the value half and minus 3 by 2. Okay, so integration 2 is equal to half 2t minus 1, because this is the value of a, and 2t minus 1 by 3 by 2. Okay, t square minus t plus 1 dt. So we can say that it will be the half 2t minus 1 by t square minus t plus 1 dt minus 3 by 2 dt by t square minus t plus 1. So it is a formula of like this, ln d of x by x is equal to ln x. So if we substitute t square minus t plus 1 is equal to a, then it will be a ln a. So half ln t square minus t plus 1, we take the mod because there is no negative term, and it is 3 by 2 dt by t square minus t plus 1. Okay, so we know this, that it is going to a formula of like this, that tan a, so dx by x square plus square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Okay, so this is like this. So half ln t square minus t plus 1 minus 3 by 2. Okay, one by t minus half whole square by 3 by 4. We actually do this math by the taking these types of formula of square. Okay, so minus half ln t square minus t plus 1 minus 3 by 2 1 dx whole square. So half ln t square minus t plus 1 by 3 by 2 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse 2t minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so this is our formula, half ln t square minus t plus 1, so it will be root 3 minus root 3 tan inverse 2t minus 1 by root 3. Okay, plus c. Plus c. Okay, now we substitute back. Now put this value that t square t is equal to x square, so it will be putting the value t is equal to x square. Okay, so half ln t to the x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 minus root 3 tan inverse 2x square minus 1 by root 3 plus c. Okay, now putting the value in the equation. Okay, now putting the value of I2 we get. Okay, is equal to half 1 by 3 ln x square x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 minus root 3 tan inverse is equal to half 1 by 3 ln x square plus 1 minus 1 by 3 1 by 2 ln x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus root 3 by 3 tan inverse 2x square minus 1 by root 3 plus c. So the final answer will be I is equal to 1 by 6 ln x square plus 1 minus half ln x to the power 4 minus x square plus 1 plus 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse 2x square minus 1 by root 3 plus c. So this is our final answer.